I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn word problems. Add and subtract together, step by step. A word problem is a little math story. Read it slowly. Find out what numbers you know and what the question is asking you to find. Then you can solve it. Listen for clue words. Words like more or in all mean you should add. Words like left or take away mean you should subtract. The story tells you what to do. A number bond helps you see the parts and the whole. If you know both parts, you add to find the whole. If you know the whole and one part, you subtract. Here is a story. Sam has 6 red blocks and 5 blue blocks. How many in all? In all means add. 6 plus 5 is 11. Sam has 11 blocks. So read the story carefully and find the clue words. They tell you to add or to subtract. A number bond helps you check your work. You are a math story star. Great work. Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.